The Aging in Place program, offered through the City of Quincy's Office of Healthy Homes, is designed to assist older adults in maintaining independence by helping them to remain in their homes. This program provides eligible applicants with a $5,000 grant to fund necessary home modifications that enhance accessibility and support long-term residents. Eligible improvements include the installation of exterior lighting at entrances, the addition of ramps, and the conversion of bathtubs into walk-in showers, among others. The program is tailored to meet the specific needs of each applicant, who will meet with a licensed physical therapist to identify and prioritize required modifications. To qualify, applicants must be 62 years of age or older, reside in and own their own home in Quincy, and meet the income requirements established by HUD, which can be found on our website at officeofhealthyhomes.org. For additional information or assistance, please contact our office at 617-376-1055.